Welcome back to the channel, landlords. Today we're going to dive into landlord responsibilities. Being a landlord isn't just about collecting rent. It's also a regulated business, and because you're providing housing, federal and local governments have a lot to say in how you're running it. This video won't be all legal jargon and rules though. By the end, we'll cover some of the more nuanced subjects you need to know in order to be a landlord responsibly. Stick around for our 5 most important landlord responsibilities. The first is legal obligations. Your legal obligations are the foundation of your whole business. As a landlord, you're legally required to provide a safe, habitable home. That means providing functional heat, water, electricity, and a structurally sound building. I'm from Florida, and AC was always a must. Tenants must also be able to enjoy the quiet environment of your property. That means tenants must be able to enjoy the property without interference from you or other parties. And the big one, the Fair Housing Act. Landlords cannot discriminate against tenants based on race, religion, gender, marital status, disability, and other characteristics. Finally, be sure to familiarize yourself with the local regulations in your state. These include eviction rules, notice periods, rent control laws, and if you go to turbotenant.com/state, you can check out the rules for your state and dive into the details. The next responsibility you have is tenant screening and selection. As we discussed in a previous section, there are legal requirements here as well. But the most important thing is understanding that the tenant you ultimately select will make or break your rental experience. To help prepare yourself for success, always run a criminal history, credit report, eviction report, and make sure to review income and rental history. When considering laws, never base your decision on protected characteristics when selecting a tenant. Make sure to adhere to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, and it requires landlords to get written permission from an applicant when pulling a background and credit report. If you deny based on the report, you must send an adverse action notice in that scenario. Finally, follow the Department of Housing and Development guidelines. Don't blanket reject applicants based on criminal history. If an applicant has a conviction, consider what happened, its seriousness, and how long ago it occurred before making a decision. If you want to stay compliant without needing a bunch of landlord-tenant legal documents, a TurboTenant account can help you screen tenants, remain compliant with all relevant laws for free. The next part is maintenance and repairs. Landlords are legally responsible for timely repairs and making sure their unit meets health and safety codes. Staying on top of maintenance and repairs isn't only right, it also protects your investment. Make sure smoke detectors work. There are no pests in the place. Plumbing is functional and your HVAC systems perform as they're supposed to. It's a good idea to schedule seasonal inspections to catch minor issues before they become expensive problems. Don't let a leak become a flood. And make sure to document maintenance requests and response times. This will help keep you covered and show your tenants you care. Next is rent collection and financial management. As a responsible steward of your business, ensure that you provide your tenants with an option to pay rent in the most convenient way for them and for you. That can mean offering ACH, debit, or credit card transactions to pay rent. And because the IRS is always watching, you have a financial responsibility to track income and expenses for tax filing purposes. A great way to help yourself stay organized is to leverage software that can help you digitally store receipts, record repairs, and automatically track your rent payments. Even better, we provide a Schedule E at the end of the year. Last but not least is relationships. Inside every rental is a human being. You don't have to be their best friend, but open, respectful communication really goes a long way. Be sure to respond to issues quickly. Be clear and consistent. Set expectations up front and then stick to them. A good landlord-tenant relationship is a game changer because it leads to fewer disputes, longer tenancies, and better outcomes. In other words, it's just good business to be a good person, and I highly recommend it. So let's wrap things up. That was probably a lot, I agree. But being a great landlord means handling responsibilities like legal duties, careful tenant selection, staying on top of repairs, managing your money, and building good relationships. The better you master these 5 areas, the better your business is going to be. And if you want help completing a lot of these tasks, consider signing up for a TurboTenant account. With a free account, you can advertise your properties, send digital rental applications, generate and sign lease agreements, collect rent, and so many more things. What's also a great idea, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and you'll get even more content about being a better landlord. Have a great day, everybody.